cost components split or cost components breakdown. Is that one of the same? If you are an experienced user or a seasoned consultant, you may be aware that there is a subtle difference. For those curious to learn this, pay attention. First notion that comes to mind is that the standard cost is a figure that can be broken down into cost components. And that is correct. No mystery, just common sense. But then, what should come to mind when talking about cost components split? Here is the subtle difference. The split refers to the ability to tell the cumulative portion of the material cost breakdown up to the level in the production chain being analyzed. What? A visual representation explains this better. Say you are analyzing a 3-level manufacturing process. The cost components split at the first level only have material cost, say $80 for material cost and for simplicity no delivery costs, for a total of $80. If that material is used by an intermediate material in a second level in a 1-to-1 proportion, then the cost component split will show the same amount of material cost as no more material costs have been added but, say, $3.62 of labor and burden at that level. Similar explanation if the second level material is used in a third level within the supply or production chain. Let's assume 1 to 4.62 proportion based on the bill of materials. The cost component split will show 369.60, which is 4.62 times 80 of material costs as no more material costs have been added, but say $28.96 of labor and burden at that level. Note that since there are no more costs coming from the lower levels, so the total cost is $415.28. You can see that the $415.28 cost of the third level can be broken down and also shown by cost component split. Confusion gone. If you found this video useful, please give a like, share, and follow for new videos. It makes sense to make things simpler.